Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. So today we are going to learn definite and indefinite articles in French. Today we will learn definite and indefinite articles in French. So let's see what is definite and indefinite article. We will start with the definition. So what is article? What is article? So we use articles to point out nouns in conversation and writing. It's very confirmed. We use articles to point out noun in conversation and writing. Two kinds of articles we will learn. First one is definite. In French, we say l'article défini. In French, we say l'article défini. And second, which we will learn, is indefinite article. Let's see what is definite article. So in English, we have only one definite article, which you can see here, which is the. But in French, we have different kind of articles with different gender and numbers. Genders mean masculine and feminine, numbers in the sense plural. So you can see the definition when we are referring to a noun which is specific, okay, which is specific. At that time, we use definite article the. So for a specific noun, we use the. Another definition, when noun's identity is confirmed, at that time we use definite article. In English, we have only one definite article, which is the, but in French, we have four definite articles. With singular, we have three definite articles, but with plural, we have only one, which is this one. So with masculine, we use la. With feminine, we use la. With masculine, feminine, singular, starting with vowel or H. Vowel or H. H is a vowel, also a mute sound. In French, we use L apostrophe. And whether the noun is masculine or feminine, but if it is plural, then we will use les. Fine. So let's see what is definite article with examples. So you can see on my screen there are definite articles. There is two columns. First one is masculine and second one is feminine column, and the third here downside is plural. So first example, like in English, we say the boy. For boy, we say garçon, but for masculine, the, in French, we use le. Le. You will not open your mouth fully. You will just open your mouth a little bit. Le. Le garçon. As I told you, if the noun is starting with vowel or H, it takes L apostrophe. So you can see here, this is masculine, homme. Homme means the man. So it will take L apostrophe. Now let's come here. The girl, la fille, which means the girl. So it is very clear. For feminine, we use la, L-A. For feminine, we use L-A, la. Now coming to these two, L apostrophe. So as I told you, the definition is if any noun, whether it is masculine or feminine singular, it starts with vowel, it takes L apostrophe. So first thing which you are seeing here, there is a sign for liaison. The rules are like this, whenever any vowel, any noun take L apostrophe, it also gives liaison. But in French, H is considered as vowel but mute sound. Mute sound, it means any word starting with H, we doesn't pronounce. So here it will give liaison with this one. L and O will link together and it will be pronounced as l'homme. L'homme, which means the man. Now here again you can see L is linked to A. Okay, so we say l'actrice. l'actrice. Actually, this L apostrophe was here like this. But in French, when two vowel comes together, then article or subject pronoun like je takes this L apostrophe, this apostrophe they take. Fine. And this will link here l'actrice, the actress. Third one is very easy. If any noun is plural, it will only take les, whether it is masculine, feminine, or plural. So you can see generally we add s to form any noun plural. Le garçon is the boy. If you want to say the boys, you will add s in the ending. And here instead of la, you will use les, les garçons. Another very notable thing is here, you can see there is a sign which is called cedille. This is C and this is cedille. This is cedille sound. Sorry, cedille sign. If you see cedille, cedille only comes with C in French. If it comes with C, it only comes with C. So at that time, C will be pronounced as S. C will be pronounced as S. That's why we are saying le garçon, here also les garçons. Next, les filles, the girls, you can see here, la fille changes to fille, S is added, so it is plural. So now this la will become les. Same happening here, it was singular, but now here we are saying les hommes, hommes, men, men, it is plural. So this L apostrophe, it will become here les. Because this is plural, so we will not give L apostrophe. Directly it will become les because it is plural. Same here, actrice means actresses, so it will take les. So it is very clear, with masculine le, law, with feminine la, law, with singular masculine or feminine L apostrophe, and with plural we use les, le. Now we are moving to the indefinite article. Indefinite articles are very easy. Okay, let's see what is the definition. The definition is like this. Key, when we are referring to a noun which could be any member of a group of nouns, use one of indefinite article. So indefinite article is a and some and also one, we can say. Fine, a and some, one. So another definition, when noun's identity is not confirmed at that time, use indefinite article. A and some and one also we will take. Okay. Now see what are indefinite article. So for plural like definite, there is only one, they. But in singular, we have two, which is very easy. With masculine, we use a, with feminine, we use iun. It's very easy. Let's see what are indefinite article in with example, and same example I have given there so that you could understand all the things. Now see, a boy, a garçon, which means a boy. Fine, so it's been with masculine we use a. Again, it is starting with vowel, but here in the sense of a, an, or one. So we will say a norm, a norm. It will also give liaison, a norm ending with consonant. The next word is starting with vowel. It gives liaison in French. Again, une fille, a girl. Une fille, a girl. You know the rule, I, double L, fille, yeah sound. Une fille, a girl, and then une actrice, an actresses. So it's very clear. It's not a bit problematic like definite article. Then for plural, again, in the ending, you will add s, okay, and for article, instead of a, you will use they. For plural, you will use they. Des garçons, which means boys, or they means some. So we will say some boys. Des filles, some girls. Then here, des hommes, some men. Des actrices, some actresses. Fine. So these were the definite and indefinite articles which we have learned right now. Now you can see definite and indefinite both together here. Okay, you will understand. You can see here definite and indefinite both together. So you can see definite la, indefinite a. La means the, a means a and one. La means also the for feminine. So for feminine we use un. Okay. Then here is one change. If starting with vowel, it takes L apostrophe. Okay. But here it remains same. Remains same. For plural, it's very easy. For the plural, for definite we use lay. For some indefinite we use they. Fine. Thank you very much. Merci. Au revoir.